Hey guys, how's it going? This is Frank with Big Man Tech, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the S20 Fan Edition. Ordered this actually for my son, just showed up today. Go over some of the specs and do somewhat of a comparison between this and the standard S20. So, on the S20 Fan Edition, we have a 6.5-inch display, Super AMOLED. On the standard S20, there's a 6.2-inch display. On the S20 Ultra, which is the big boy of the S20s, you got a 6.9-inch display. The display on this is also 120 hertz refresh rate with a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. On the Fan Edition, we've got where is it? It got a 10 megapixel front-facing on this regular S20, and on the S20 Ultra, you actually have a 40 megapixel front-facing camera. Around the back side, you got 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 12 megapixel wide-angle, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with night mode, and that also includes a 30 times space zoom on here. On the S20 Ultra, which is the big boy, the big bad one, you get you get a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 108 megapixel wide angle, and a 48 megapixel telephoto with I believe it's 100 times space zoom on that as well. Not going to make that big of a difference because I've got the Note 20 Ultra 5G, and on that the 50x space zoom is plenty good. So I'm sure the 30 will be just fine. This thing will record video in 4K as opposed to 8K on any of the S20 lines. This has what is it? This has got a newer 865 processor in it as opposed to don't know what processor. I know it's a Qualcomm. I just don't remember the exact model number on the S20s. Let's see. We've got 128 gigs of storage with 6 gigs of RAM on the S20 Fan Edition. You've got 8 gigs or 12 gigs of RAM on the regular S20s. Or excuse me, on the other S20s, depending on whether you get the 4G or the 5G versions. 4,500 milliamp battery on the Fan Edition. You get up to a 5,000 milliamp battery on the S20 Ultra. Again, that's the big boy. But the big difference there is the cost. So the S20 is it's actually a plastic back. So they did cut that out to save some money. But it's only a $700 phone as opposed to the $1,000 where the S20 start, and going up to $1,500 for the top end S20 Ultra Edition. That also would be that would have 512 gigs of RAM. And again, that's the 5G variant of that. This thing comes in 6 colors. It comes in cloud navy, lavender, mint, red, orange, and white. This happens to be the cloud navy. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. And again, no, it's not a butterfly knife or switchblade or anything like that. It just happens to be assisted release, in case anybody was wondering. You have got your books. I'm not going to throw those around. Again, this is my son's phone. Some ejection tool. I will put that there. Put that back in the top. You have the device. Again, and that's that cloud navy. Yeah, let's see what else we have in here. SIM card. That's interesting that they give you a full-size SIM instead of a nano SIM, but all right. Standard charging brick, fast charging, USB-C. Oh yeah, and there's no headphone jack on this, by the way, either. This does have fast wireless charging at 15 watts, wired charging fast at 30 watts, by the way. So that's it. There's no headphones in the box, but that's okay. I actually ordered my son watched my video, and he decided he wanted to get a pair of the Galaxy Buds Live. So those are on order and should be here soon for him. All right, that's it for now. Drop a like and excuse me, drop a like and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks. Talk to you later.